Alright. Let's do the live voice. Oh, no, it's just a Paul's voice.
Nebraska and southwest Iowa, as well as neighboring portions of Kansas and Missouri. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers to be turned on automatically, alerting you to the impending hazard.
It's not a live voice, it's just a Paul's voice.
Warning alarm system are conducted each Wednesday
Is your alarm on?
Yep.
There is a threat of severe weather.
And my radio check is one display. Whoops.
Non-severe weather day. Once again, this has been a weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. We now return to our regular programming. Now for the official National
Okay.
Weather Service forecast for the Lincoln area. Rest of today.
So it was not a live voice, it's just a Paul's voice.
Yeah.
Northwest winds 5.
And my Radio Shack,
miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly clear.
it won't go off.
Lows in the upper. Southwest winds around 5.
Will you go?
Oh no, it's just the Paul's voice,
Yep, yep.
not the live voice.
That's fine, Jeffrey.
They skipped it.
I know. That's fine. Okay. That's it. Bye.
Bye.